Hey, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and welcome back to the channel. And now it's time to find out what's in the toolbox. And in the toolbox today is this precision screwdriver set. So we'll start with this side first. It's double-sided, as you can see. So we'll start with this side first, because it's got all the screwdriver and other bits in. Now this is actually meant for foam repair, but you can use it for auto repair as well. So we'll start with the screwdriver itself. Really nice little precision screwdriver. Has this lovely little bit driver holder. So as you can see, it's got this little extendable bar that you can set to any size you like. Really quite handy. Just clicks into place. So if you're trying to reach down and get a deep one, or if you just need a quick close-up one, you can indeed get that really easily. Got a nice little thumb holder, so if you need to run them out. As well as this lovely bit, you also come with this flexible adapter. Let me grab that out for a second. Great for lovely little flexing. As you can see, it gives you a nice degree of flex and bend, so sometimes you can get around there and just twist them around. Another little handy feature. You've also got this other little bit driver. You can get it out. Give me 2 seconds while I grab it out. It will come out in a second. I'll get the tweezers out. It comes with this lovely little set of tweezers. You also double as a nice little prying tool. It says prying when you've got all these lovely little splurges and squeezers here. So yeah, here's the little driver. So again, that just pops in. Not in here because this is an adapter. My mistake. This is the adapter for a normal 1/4 inch size. So if you want to put any of the bits on the back into a normal screwdriver head handle, you can quite easily. So yep, that's that. It also comes with this lovely magnetizer and demagnetizer. So I'll show you in a bit better action in a moment. It comes with that and these 3 pry bars, little plastic non-marine pry bars, squeegees, bludges, whatever you'd like to call them. And that's this side done. So we'll flip it round to the other side now. And you can move all these other bits out of the way. And this side has all of our bits. I'll give you a close up of these in just a second. But it also comes with these lovely little pick pries. So for getting little squeezes. It also did come with a little suction cup. I have lost that, I'm not going to lie. One of those things, I just left it stuck somewhere, and yeah, you know what it's like. There's some various sizes, all quite handy. And here we are looking at all the bits now. So we have some really small Phillips, starting at a Phillips 1000 and going all the way along. We have loads of other bits. We have some Torx bits, some security Torx bits just here, some flatheads, a whole variety of different bits. More than you ever think of, even some neat little mini bit drivers. A little SIM extractor. This is meant for, like I said, repairing cars and other things, but I've used it, cars, phones, should I say. But again, I've used it for lots of little repair jobs. I recently used it in the, well, you haven't seen it yet, but it's coming out, a key repair video. So here's just a photo of me using a screwdriver, so here's the screw. And you just screw it in nice and easily. Like that, and there we are. That's that one done. If you're enjoying this video, please drop me a like, sub to the channel, and leave me a comment. So yeah, I just wanted to quickly show you as well these lovely little pry bars, non-marine spudges, whatever you'd like to call them. Again, they have various different sizes. And they're great for getting into those little crevices if you need to remove like a battery pack. So I'll just show you quickly with this. This is the my GoPro camera, star action camera, and if you get into the battery pack, you just need to get this little thing here. You've got this little divot, but getting your finger in there without nails is quite difficult. With this, let me quickly just show you. So with this, it's a matter of just pop it in there and pop, out it comes. Really helpful that is for them sort of things. So I just wanted to show you the magnetizer that comes with this kit. So here's the magnetizer. And it says magnetize down here and demagnetize up here. The magnetizer, you just have to move the bit through here a few times. And it just adds the magnetic pull to it, and then you see, I'm not going to adjust the camera. It's quite a heavy bolt really, but as you can see, the magnetizer, you can then magnetize it so you can pick up bits. Quite a handy little feature. And then to demagnetize, it's just the same thing again. You just go through here. Takes a little while to get the magnet off, but so my final thoughts on this precision screwdriver set. It's a really handy little set to have. Like I said, it's come in really handy with loads of little jobs I've used it for. Again, it's always useful to have one around, like if you want to repair a watch, or if you want to repair a phone, or if you need it for like a car repair. Like I said, there's many different car repairs you can do with this. But yeah, it's overall a very handy little set. And yeah, I'm really glad I got it. Saved my bacon a few times. Thank you for watching until the end. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not drop a like on this video? If you have any questions about this video, or any of my other videos, why not ask in the comments and I'll get back to you as quickly as I can. If you want to see more from me, why not subscribe to the channel? And with that said, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and have a sensational day.